Bring another spoon now. So me and my husband.
Show your name a padlock. May mercy scatter that padlock now.
Hi guys, good evening and happy Sunday. Today is the 17th of November. Yeah, and I want to make cocoyam soup ofe day. This is edo ofe that I'm using. I don't know if it's Tanya or taro, but yeah. So, and because I am using this leaf, I would call it ofoha. If I'm cooking this and I'm using onugbu, I would say I'm cooking ofo onugbu. But because I'm using oha leaf, I'm cooking ofoha. So the oha has been salted. When it is, salted, like removed from the stem and all of that, and manually with hand, just like this, we have cut it to the size we want it to be. Now, I'll keep that. When it is a good time, we just rinse it and call it up into the pot. Yeah, this will be here. And this is the fish we'll be using. I call this one Thailand fish. I don't know what people call it. But yeah, this is mangala. Yeah, two of this, and then dry the catfish and stockfish. I've already pre-cooked the meat in a pressure pot. And what do we do now? Let's wash this, rinse this, and cook it. So wash it and right into the pot it goes. Cover this cook to boil. How are you guys doing today? Hope you went to church. Let me know. How was service today? How was mass today? And in today's mass, Father talked about dying, okay, how people are scared of dying. And then he goes on to say that God's plan initially for us was that for us to be immortal, for us not to die, but then we sinned. The first woman on earth, they sinned, and this is what landed us here, okay. And he said something about people being scared of dying. We should not be scared of dying. So long as you're doing the right thing, you shouldn't be scared of dying, okay, because when you die, your body goes back to dust from which they came. There's this song that we sing in Catholic Church. It says, "You take back your spirit, they die, returning to the dust from which they came. You set forth your spirit, they were created, and you renew the face of the earth." But then let me not derail. The point is that you should not be scared of he who can kill the body and not the spirit. That's the soul. Okay? So it's only God that have the power to destroy both. No human being. So father was actually saying we shouldn't be scared of that. That he knows. He told us a story about a girl who the mother complained to him that she's often scared of dying. Whenever she's sick, you see her shivering, and they say, "Oh no, I don't want to die. I don't want to die." I too, I was, but I'm no longer. Okay, I'm no longer. I'm only scared of losing people whom I love, the loved ones. Okay, people whom I cherish, and not my own self. Because I know we'll all return, we'll all return, but not seeing people you used to see is where the fear is for me. Yeah, that was it about today's mass. It was good. It was good. So let me know in the comment section what they thought today in your own place of worship. Today is the 17th day of November 2024. I'm right here in my kitchen tonight making dinner. My husband has already told me now that he wants some juice. I should blend some juice for him. So I don't know if this will be our dinner. This is 7 p.m. Look at, I cooked this meat earlier today. Can you see how it stained the pots when it went up? And it has fat in it. Look at how everywhere is looking. This is cow head. The egg is tender now. It's time to blend it. So watch closely and see what I am doing. Let me check if my mic is working. I actually bought the worst mic in the market. I used to see people use it and I thought it was good, but no. So we scoop this into the blender jar. Why is this not giving me a better picture? I need you all to see what I am doing. This blender can stand here. I don't know if the smoke, but I allow you to see it. Now we'll scoop it into the blender with the water off because I washed it properly. I don't leave out the water. Just use the water and blend it. I'm blending it. So if you look at it now, say everything is okay. My main concern, which is the stockfish, is non-tender. It's non-tender, so I'll pour this into the main pot I'm using to cook this soup. So I'm adding water. Okay. So I have this leftover in here. Hey, so I'm going to add it in here because man, this is big. Making a large batch of this soup. Add oil. The soup is boiling. Can you imagine the chicken I packed in has not melted? So adding salt, seasoning cube. It's looking more like it now. Okay, this is so good. This is so good. So, crayfish. Do you know this? This is called buffet. I'm going to use 3. So, where is this? Add the vegetable, the oha leaf. Add it. I bought this it's been in the fridge. I bought it since when? I think it's over a week now. It's close to a week, thereabouts. Thought when you put vegetables, don't turn it, and now it's simmer a little, and then you turn. This is it. I'll be making mine, but tell me what you would like to eat this with.
Bring another spoon now. Some of my husband. Yes, water. And this side in our fridge.
Make up your mind that you start believing in people. As you come for Colonia, you may see your name a padlock. May mercy scatter that padlock now. In the name of Jesus, the roadmap. Next time you see God lift people and you see people succeed in the kingdom, don't say it was a mistake. These are the kingdom principles, among others.